Okay, folks, I'm headed up to my crib. This is the last load. Took a lunch break to do this. I still have some stuff at the hotel, but I'm debating on whether I want to sleep here or the hotel. I feel more comfortable at the hotel, and plus I got some work to do. So I want to knock that work out. Pretty much just get settled in tomorrow. So, gotta get used to doing this, but I have to take my shoes on. So far, I got a whole bunch of dishes that I gotta set up. I'm gonna worry about that later. I bought Rachel Ray. This is my living room. Brand new furniture. These chairs aren't brand new, but this sofa is brand new. And this carpet is brand new. Handmade. And worked a good deal on that. This is my view. This is the master bedroom. However, I'm gonna turn this into a weight room because it has more room. And my wife would love this walk-in closet. And she deserved one. This toilet got some controls on it. I guess they call it a bidet, but we're gonna have to figure that one out. So, this right here is gonna be my study room. Yeah, I got some unpacking to do, but I pretty much got this apartment set up for, I guess you can call it a bachelor, even though I'm not a bachelor, but and this is the second largest bedroom. This is where I'll be sleeping. So for right now, folks, I'm gonna go on back to the job and see if I can get some of my paperwork done. I unpacked, and I need to start putting stuff away. With the amount of equipment I had shipped over here, I don't know if this is gonna work out. I may have to get rid of some stuff, but we're gonna try to make this do. I'm a country boy from the sticks, North Carolina, and we're gonna figure it out. Now, this is the coolest little thing. I guess this is how I'm gonna bring packages up and down in one swoop. So when I drive, I plug it back up. And it's basically to work as extra evidence as in case anything go down while I'm driving. I've heard horror stories, but honestly, folks, the people I've seen and met so far just seem to be very, very nice. Headed back to work to try to get some of this paperwork done. I'm actually gonna put in for an extension to extend my stay here in Korea for 2 years. Well, actually, to extend it one more year. and absorb myself in the Korean culture. Like the doctor gave me a good keyword, reset. I'm just really trying to reset. Reset my mind, reset my life. Tomorrow's my first day at the gym. And we're gonna be working out from 5 a.m. to whenever. So yeah, I think I'm gonna stay at the hotel. All right, folks. Getting ready to start another phase of my life. This is my first night of Taekwondo. I talked to Master Kim. That's the son of Grandmaster Kim. This is my last night in the hotel room, folks. Take a look. Take a look. This has been my home for the last almost 3 weeks. And I love it, but I got a nicer place. And I gotta get used to living on my own, feeding myself and all that good stuff. It's always constant change with me, always constant change. And I had some great interviews today over the last couple of days. And I'm focused on the job. Then I'll start focusing on the business tomorrow. We're bringing on some great people to ease the load. I gotta do my part now. And just remember, your power is in your partners. Your partners are your power. And I'm starting to learn who is who and who could do what. I don't quit, I don't fire anybody. People quit on me, and that's fine, because this kind of lifestyle isn't for everyone. But where one leaves, 5 more join on. And we're not trying to grow, we're trying to sustain what we have and get some continuity between the different departments. Taekwondo should help release some of the stress that I have. All right, folks, it's about 5:32. The class starts at 6. Honestly, I'm a little nervous, but I'm gonna do what I gotta do. Get my mind right and reset, folks. I'm looking at a 3-year journey possibly. That's my intentions. We're gonna do it 1 extension year at a time. So I have to turn my paperwork in. I'm gonna turn it in tonight before midnight. That's where I'm at, folks. Hopefully when I wake up in the morning, it's just straight up focusing in on Tompkins. I got a couple of meetings with some folks. Focus on my classes, and I'm focusing in on making Tompkins great, having the best internship program in the world, since we are worldwide now. Thank you for joining me on this journey, and we're gonna see how it goes.